Okay, now talk about the store procedure. Okay, so let's write some logic in the store procedure. The procedure that we have written. Okay, so now we are going to write some query into it. Okay, so let's begin with it. So I am using SQL Server Editor. So this is very useful tool. Okay, so this tool you can get lots of benefit out of it. So I will show you. So I want to create one query. I want to create one insert query. Okay, so I want to create one insert query. So using this SQL Server tool, I will get lots of benefit. Like I want to create one SQL query. So what I have to do is I have to just open the table, and I have to do a right click. Then I have to just right click on the script table as. There you can create any kind of query. Okay, means you the editor will give you the query, build the query for you and give it to you. So there is option create to drop and create, select, insert, update, delete. Okay, so for this case I will create a insert query in the new window. So insert query will be generated and it will be given you in the new window. Okay, so here it is generating. It will give you the insert query. It will take few minutes. Yeah, it is ready for me. Now you can see it has given the query. Now it has not given the primary key doc id. Why? Because doc id is auto generated, right? Auto generated, so it didn't give me the doc id. Okay, rest of the syntax it has given. So what I have to do, I have to just replace those variables, these values, with the, these are the placeholder basically, this placeholder with the actual parameter. So what I will do, I will copy this and I will go to my store procedure here. Okay, okay, not this one, yeah, this one. So at the insert segment, insert block, I will add my query, and what I will do is I will replace these with the parameters. What parameters? The parameter that I have defined on top, that is here doc name. Okay, so I'm going to replace this to doc name, then document type. This is my document type. Now document description, this is my document description. This is my link. This is my last column is active. Okay, done. Okay, so it has created the insert query. I have little bit modified it and my job is done. Okay, so insert query is ready. Now small thing I have to do is, like, I have to identify that particular, I have to tell the system that column doc id is, the scope of it is identify. So doc id, the column name, I have to write it here to set the scope equal to, yes. So my insert segment is done. Okay, so what I have to do is, let's run this procedure. Okay, okay, now you can see command completed successfully. Now if I refresh this, you can see here my store procedure is created, right? And these are the list of parameter. Okay, now what I can do is, so in the next video I will show you how to execute the store procedure. Okay, thanks for watching. Well, if you have any doubt, any query about this video or any technical topics, you can let me know in the comment section. And this is my LinkedIn profile. you can connect with me in the LinkedIn. I basically use this tech stack. Okay, Java, Spring Boot, Angular, Node, Python, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, Influx. I use AWS and Azure Cloud. I have little bit knowledge of Linux, shell scripting, C Sharp, MS SQL, Oracle. Okay, so yeah, keep in touch and let me know if you have any doubt in comments. Thank you.